Good morning, everybody. This is Timothy Zellmer from timothyzellmer.com, helping you create your escape by making money online. Today, we're going to give you 4 tips for moving to Boquete, Panama. 4 tips and tricks coming right up. Want to thank Hotel Central Boquete and Live Free University for sponsoring this channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos to make money online and get yourself moved to paradise. Well, today the first thing I want to talk about is the best trick I know about to keep you safe. Don't carry around so much money. We've got a bank up there attached to Charles Schwab. You know, the IRA, the retirement place, you can invest money in different kinds of stocks and stuff. Well, Schwab Bank is excellent because they have, well, first of all, they have great customer service. You can call them, you can deal with them anytime, 24/7. I've never had any trouble. But the cool thing is that they will credit back any charges for any amount of withdrawals of cash anywhere in the world. That's right, anywhere. Even if the charge is more than the money you're taking out, they will credit it back to you. So that's pretty cool. Charles Schwab. They have schwabbank.com. Go check it out. Second big deal, I want all you foreigners to Panama, that is, people coming down here, learn about WhatsApp. It's an application for communicating for free. I know a lot of you Americans are afraid of anything that is free. Can't be any good, can't be safe, but it is 164-bit encrypted communications platform. I recommend it, I use it. Everybody in the world is using it now. Download it at the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Put it on your cell phone, anywhere you've got Wi-Fi or data to get Wi-Fi. You will be able to communicate for free. It's super cool. They just came out with a new version for business. You can go and put all kind of images, information on there, so when people communicate with you, they'll be able to find out about you and see where you're at. Even maps. So you can do it like a walkie-talkie with a recorder. You can send images, you can send files, you can call, you can even video talk like Dick Tracy, my dad's favorite cartoon when I was a kid. So, WhatsApp, download it. The other thing, you know, they have a chip, like a computer chip for phones. And I know some of you guys in the state never heard of a chipped phone, but if you ask them up there and you get a chip phone, well, that way you don't have to get one of these, super duper calling card systems that paying all that. This could be free. When you get down here to Panama, just get you one of these cheap super phones, you know, with the computer screen, and that way you can download WhatsApp and communicate with everybody. Teach your family back in your home country that's how you're going to communicate. It's free and excellent. So I do recommend the WhatsApp, and you know, all my students, I got them downloading it. It's not that hard, it's not that scary, but you need a phone with a computer screen, and go and download it, please. The next thing I wanted to show you, tips and tricks. This is what they call a 3/4 zip. A 3/4 zip is excellent because you can ventilate, you can open up. Oh, now here's the cutest dog in the world. Oh, look at that dog. Oh, look at this one. Uh-oh. Hi, little buddy. Hi. Oh, I guess you really are mean, aren't you? Come here, come here, come here. Oh, come here. I know you want to touch me. Come here. Oh. It's actually our friend's dog. He lives over here. Yeah, mean dog. Not very mean, but cute. 'Cute. 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 ' the 3/4 zip. You can tie it around your waist. You can hang it off your backpack. Try to tie a knot. Last video, darn thing fell off, had to go back, pick it up. 3/4 zips, you can get them on Amazon.com. I'll put in a link to a nice one I really recommend down below in the description. Oh, listen to the church bells. That's beautiful. That's get up and get going bells. So the 3/4 zip is like my daily uniform. You know, I wear this like a t-shirt, pants, tennis shoes, you know, keep covered up. The little beach shows, these little biting bugs at dawn, early morning. I'm sweet, I don't know, they love me. I don't like the bites. So I carry a little off in a little plastic bag inside my backpack. Once in a while, put a little of that spray on my hands, my neck, my head. Keep those darn bichos off, they drive me crazy. Not everybody gets bit by them, but yeah, it's nice having a 3/4 zip, wearing long pants. The bugs can't get to you. So that's my third tip. Get yourself a 3/4 zip. The next one is an umbrella. They sell these umbrellas downtown all over the place for about $5, $6. But a lot of folks like these fold-up umbrellas that you can carry in your little backpack all the time. I kind of wish I had one of those. Merry Christmas to me, bring one down, that'd be cool. But I have this little blue one right now. I tend to leave them, donating them all the places I go. Oh, look at these poppos. Those are, they call them poppos. That's a hibiscus flower. It's a medicinal flower. It's good for your heart. Helps you with your blood pressure, I believe. Oh, they got all kinds here, different colors. Poppos, that's hibiscus. We have some at the hotel that are real nice too. So, get yourself an umbrella. Maybe one of them collapsibles. I put a link to a really good one that you can pick up on Amazon.com. That's nice to have. Like today, I mean, look at this day. It's a little cloudy. We had a little lightning earlier, one strike. And you never can tell when it's gonna rain here. You know, we just started the dry season. Come November 1st, they say is the dry season, but it's been blowing out of the north, so the storms on the Caribbean side, here the isthmus of Panama, is blowing in little rain clouds. And we get a lot of mist. That's why we're the Valley of Rainbows. So don't forget to get a little umbrella. If you forget, pick one up downtown. So, in review, schwabbank.com, free download of money. Well, I mean cash at the ATM, the little bankette. Schwab Bank is excellent. They credit back all your charges. It's just so cool. Remember the second one, download WhatsApp or WhatsApp. That's a great way to communicate. Teach your family before you leave, come down to Panama. And get yourself a 3/4 zip. You know, one of these little pullovers. I call them an anorak, I guess, but it's like really a 3/4 zip. I'll give you a link for picking one of those up. And don't forget your umbrella. That's no fun getting soaked. Even one of those collapsibles. I got a link down below. So, this is Timothy Zellmer for timothyzellmer.com and Hotel Central Boquete and Live Free University. Looking forward to meeting you when you get down here. Maybe even learn how to make money and make your escape to paradise. God bless you and have a great day. Thank you for being here. This is Tim. Adios.